How do the substitutes for whipping cream affect the taste and texture of the recipe?
Hello and welcome to today's culinary discussion. Today, we will be delving into the fascinating world of whipping cream substitutes and how they impact the taste and texture of your recipes. Remember, the aim is to achieve a balance between flavor, consistency, and nutrition.
Why do we use whipping cream in recipes?
Firstly, let's understand the role whipping cream plays in a recipe. Whipping cream, especially when whipped into a light and fluffy consistency, can add a richness and creaminess to dishes that few other ingredients can match. It's commonly used in both sweet and savory dishes, contributing to the depth of flavor and enhancing the overall mouthfeel of a dish.
What are some common substitutes for whipping cream?
Now let's look at some common substitutes for whipping cream. They include 1. Milk and butter. This combination can emulate the fat content of cream, but it might not provide the same level of richness and thickness. However, it's a handy substitute when you're in a pinch. 2. Coconut cream. A popular choice for those following a vegan diet, coconut cream can mimic the creaminess of whipping cream but does introduce a distinct coconut flavor. 3. Greek yogurt. A healthier option, Greek yogurt can add a tangy flavor to your recipes while offering a creamy texture. 4. Cashew cream. This is another vegan option made by blending cashews with water. It offers a similar consistency to cream, though it has a unique nutty flavor. 5. Soy or almond milk. When thickened with a bit of cornstarch, these can be used as a lighter cream substitute, especially in vegan and dairy-free recipes.
How do these substitutes affect the taste and texture?
Each of these substitutes will have different effects on your recipe. Milk and butter. This might make your dish a bit lighter in flavor and less creamy in texture. Coconut cream. This could make your dish taste slightly sweet and tropical, with a rich and creamy texture similar to whipping cream. Greek yogurt. This could add a tangy flavor to your dish and create a slightly thicker, richer texture. Cashew cream. This could add a mild nutty flavor to your dish with a thick and creamy texture. Soy or almond milk. This could make your dish taste slightly sweet or nutty, depending on the plant milk used. The texture might not be as creamy as with other substitutes. In conclusion, the substitutes for whipping cream can be just as versatile, providing a range of new flavors and textures for your dishes. It's all about understanding the ingredients, and most importantly, experimenting to find what works best for you. We hope you have found this discussion enlightening and that it will lead you to delicious new culinary adventures. Happy cooking!